Hi guys, it's Kyne here with CBC Life, and I'm back again with another makeup tutorial. You know, I am so not a winter person. I hate the cold weather. As soon as the weather got above like 1 degree where I live, I instantly was like rolling down the windows, putting on my sunglasses, blasting Britney Spears in the car. I am very inspired by summer and bright colors and bold colors. So I created this makeup look with this pop of blue colored brow. Lots of people, I feel like when they think pop of color, they instantly want to go to the lips or the eyes. But why not the brows? I think they're one of my favorite features about myself, and I like to highlight them and bring attention to them. This is a look you can try at home if you have colored hair that you want to match your eyebrows to, or if you're just a more daring person. I used to do my makeup like this in high school back in the day. Probably more dramatic than this, actually. I don't know who gave me permission to be that extra. I think the key to making it look more wearable in real life is just toning it down everywhere else on your face, so it's just one part of your face that you're highlighting. But in any case, if you're curious to see how I did this look, I'm actually showing you 2 ways to do these brows. So if you want to see, then just keep watching. Alright, so I'm gonna start off with most of my base on, and we're gonna jump straight into the brows. And the first method I want to show you guys is just using an eyeliner. This one is from NYX, and I'm feathering it through my brows as if I was just filling them in normally, working with the natural shape that I have. This is a little clean brow / mascara brush, and what I'm doing here is blending the color through my brows because I don't want any visible strokes of the color. I want the color to look really homogeneous, except for the front of the brow where I like it to look really soft and faded there. Now, if you have a blue eyeshadow at home, you can use that to set the brows, which that just means we're going to go over them with powder so that the cream eyeliner is all dried up and won't smear throughout the day. I don't like to use powder on its own because it's not really opaque enough. Unless you have really fair skin, the color might show up easier on you. But if you want to wear bright colors on like darker skin, you sometimes want to use a cream or liquid base of that same color or even lighter so that the powder shows up with a stronger color payoff. Now, the second method I'm showing you guys is with a liquid lipstick. I'm just taking a little on an angled brush and painting it into my brows. Now, the advantage of using liquid lipstick is its high color payoff, and it also dries matte and isn't as prone to smearing since it is formulated for the lips. But as long as it's makeup and it's made to go on your face, there's really no rules. You don't have to use products the way it says so on the box. You know, you can be creative and experiment with different styles and colors. Every time I paint my face, I always see it as a canvas that I can do whatever I want to it. Finally, the last step, which I will do on both sides, is I go in with a liquid or cream, concealer, or foundation, either one as long as it matches your skin. And I'm just going to clean up the edges a little bit, just in case any blue has gone onto the skin. You don't really want that. If you're not wearing face makeup, you can just clean up the edges with like wipes or like makeup remover on a Q-tip. But I was wearing face makeup here, so I used foundation. And I just blended that into the surrounding skin. And then that's pretty much it for the brows. For the rest of the face, I kept it really simple. Of course, you can pair this with matching eye makeup and lipstick. I might do something like that for the stage, but for you guys, I wanted to tone it down and just focus this look on the brows. So I paired them with a little bit of just mascara on the eyes and clear lip gloss to continue the theme of spring and brightness. And that's the finished look, everyone. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I hope you liked it and that you learned something cool today. If you recreate this look, I want to see, so tag me in your pictures. My username is just onlinekyne everywhere. I hope you guys are all doing well, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!